In this video, we're going to be discussing the field reprogramming instructions for the Universal Outdoor Control on Ruud and Sure Comfort's 15 and 16 SEER units. First, we need to make sure that you have the most current contractor app downloaded to your phone. You can go to the Apple Store or Google Play Store if you do not have it, or you can scan the QR code that's on the screen. This will bring you to the correct app store for your mobile device. If the app is already downloaded on your phone, make sure that you have the newest version. The Android version is 3.3.1 and the Apple version is 3.3.0. The way you can check your phone to make sure you have the most current app is to log in to the contractor app. You're going to want to look in at the very bottom of your screen, and it's going to give you the most current version that you're running right now. So you'll see 3.3.1 or 3.3.0 depending upon which device you have. Once you have determined that you have the most current app, then we can move on. So once you've logged in and you're ready to do the programming of the board, you're going to want to click the service icon and then click service and repair. Now the screen's going to pop up and give you the model and serial numbers of the indoor and outdoor unit, but for this purpose we're not going to use this. We're going to click enter the serial number manually. Once you click enter serial number manually, you're going to enter the serial number here on this screen. You're going to click continue. You can also scan the serial number on the data tag. If doing so, make sure you cover up the QR code with your fingers so it doesn't accidentally pick up the QR code. But once you've done this, you'll see this serial number pop up here on the screen. Verify that it's the correct one. Hit continue. And then once you hit continue, it's going to bring you into another section where you check the model number and serial number. Look at the model number, look at the serial number, and make sure that they match what you have. The next screen is going to ask you to scan the motor part number. We are actually going to enter the motor model number manually. This is the easiest way to do it, so you don't have to pull the top grill off the unit. And looking at the model number, you see this one right here is 51-108-504-02. Now you're only going to want to enter up to that 02. You don't want to enter the second set of numbers here. Just stop at the 02. Once you've done that, you've hit continue. It's going to pull up the outdoor unit again with the model serial number. Make sure you check that again just to make sure. You're going to click continue. Then the next screen is going to ask you to power the unit down. Now you're going to power off the high voltage and the low voltage. Just pull the main disconnect outside for the high voltage, but on the low voltage, pull the green terminal strip off the board. Once you do that, it's going to shut the power off. Wait until all the lights are off on the board. So next, it's going to ask you to install the new circuit board. Now you're not actually going to be installing the new circuit board, you're going to be reprogramming it. So you can skip this section by hitting continue. Power up the unit. You'll get the icon here that says 15-second countdown. Once you click that, a screen's going to come up and replacement controls do not have serial numbers. You're just going to click dismiss here. Once you do that, the 15-second timer is going to start. Alright, so once the 15 seconds is up, you'll get this screen that's going to give you the outdoor unit model number again. Once you do that, just verify it, make sure that it's correct, and then next, once you hit continue, you'll see the screen changed to the gray screen, and once it's complete, it's going to take you into the next screen, which is going to give you the model and serial number of the unit again. We need to verify that just to make sure all the way through the process that we're still showing the correct information. And once you're done, you could click status. It's going to take you here. You want to see what the system status is, so you're going to click this box. This icon is going to come up. You're going to click outdoor unit. And mainly what we're looking for here is the compressor maximum current. Now this doesn't actually mean it's going to be pulling 400 amps. This is just a formula multiplier that it's got to use for determining what the amp draw should be. What you're going to be looking for if it's a 5-ton is 400 amp, and if it's a 3-ton you're going to see 256. Now prior to doing this programming, you would have the values of a 3-ton at 240 and a 5-ton at 368. fan motor data number and actually the board data number here. I would take a screenshot of this and just keep it for your records just in case you need to verify something. Once you do all this, you're completed and you're ready to start the unit up. If you have any questions about the video, give us an email at hvac@coburns.com. Thank you.